Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are diving into an incredibly powerful platform that has become an absolute staple in the mobile application security landscape. We are talking about the Mobile Security Framework, commonly known as MobSF. As the mobile ecosystem continues to grow at an unprecedented rate, so does the attack surface. From banking applications to social media platforms, mobile apps handle a massive amount of our sensitive personal and financial data. Ensuring these applications are secure is no longer an afterthought, it is a critical necessity. In this video, we will be doing a comprehensive overview of MobSF, discussing its core features, its broad capabilities, and how you can set it up ethically within a Kali Linux environment. Before we go any further, I want to make it absolutely clear that this video is purely for educational purposes. We are discussing these tools strictly from a defensive and ethical hacking perspective. There is no practical showcase or live exploitation in this video. We are only showcasing a theoretical overview of the tool and its installation. Always ensure you have explicit documented permission before analyzing or testing any mobile application that you do not own. Ethical hacking is about improving security posture and protecting users, not exploiting vulnerabilities for malicious gain. So, what exactly is the Mobile Security Framework? MobSF is an automated all-in-one mobile application security testing, malware analysis, and privacy analysis framework. It is open source and designed to perform comprehensive security assessments across multiple platforms. Whether you are dealing with Android, iOS, or Windows Mobile, MobSF has you covered. What makes MobSF stand out in the crowded field of security tools is its versatility and its ease of use. Whether you are an independent security researcher, a penetration tester, a malware analyst, or a developer looking to secure your own code, MobSF provides a centralized platform to get the job done efficiently. The Dynamic Analyzer supports both Android and iOS applications and provides an interactive, instrumented testing environment. This means you can run the app within a controlled setting, interact with it just like a normal user would, and monitor exactly what it is doing under the hood. You can capture and analyze runtime data, inspect API calls, and monitor network traffic in real time to catch data leaks or insecure server communications that static analysis might have missed. Now, let us talk about getting this powerful framework up and running in your Kali Linux environment. While there are multiple ways to install MobSF, including setting it up from source, using Python, and various dependencies, the absolute quickest, cleanest, and most reliable method is by using Docker. Docker is a platform that allows you to package applications and their dependencies into isolated containers. Using Docker to run MobSF on Kali Linux ensures that you do not clutter your base penetration testing system with conflicting libraries or outdated Python packages, keeping your environment pristine and stable. If you do not already have Docker installed on your Kali Linux machine, you will need to get that sorted first. It's usually as simple as updating your package lists and installing Docker through the standard package manager. Once Docker is installed and the Docker service is running on your Kali machine, you are ready to deploy MobSF. The quick setup process is incredibly straightforward and essentially consists of just two main commands. The first step is to pull the official MobSF Docker image from the Docker Hub repository. You do this by opening your Kali Linux terminal and typing the command docker pull open-security/mobile-security-framework-mobsf:\latest. Let us break down what this command is actually doing so you understand the mechanics behind it. The docker pull command tells your system to reach out to the internet and download a pre-built image. The open security portion represents the organization that maintains the image. The Mobile Security Framework MobSF is the exact name of the repository. Finally, the latest tag ensures that you are grabbing the most recent, up-to-date version of the tool. Depending on your internet connection, this download might take a few minutes. This is because the image contains a full pre-configured operating system environment, along with all the tools, scripts, database configurations, and dependencies MobSF needs to function perfectly out of the box. Once the download is complete and the layers are extracted, you have the image safely stored locally on your machine. The next step is to actually spin up a container from that image. This is done with the run command. You will type docker run-it-rm-p8000:8000 opensecurity/mobile-security-framework-mobsf:\latest. This command might look a bit intimidating if you are new to Docker, so let's unpack its parameters carefully. The docker run command tells Docker to create and start a new container based on the image we just downloaded. The IT flags tell Docker to run the container in interactive mode and attach a sudo terminal. This is highly recommended so you can see the startup logs in your Kali Linux terminal and ensure everything is booting up correctly without any silent errors. The --rm flag is a very useful cleanup tool. It tells Docker to automatically remove the container as soon as you shut it down. This keeps your system clean and prevents old, stopped containers from piling up and consuming your hard drive space. Next, we have the -p flag, which stands for port publishing. This is a crucial step. MobSF runs a web interface on port 8000 inside its isolated container. The -p8000:8000 command maps port 8000 on your Kali Linux host machine directly to port 8000 inside the Docker container. This means when you open a web browser on your Kali Linux machine, you can seamlessly access the MobSF interface. It is very important to note that for certain operations, configurations, or API access, you will need to authenticate. The default username and password for the Docker installation are incredibly simple. The default username is MobSF, all lowercase, and the default password is also MobSF, all lowercase. While this is convenient for a quick local setup, it is highly recommended from a security standpoint that you change these default credentials if you plan to leave the container running or if you're running it on a local network that other users can access. Always maintain that security-first mindset, even in your testing labs. Once you're inside the web interface, the workflow is designed to be frictionless. You are presented with a primary upload screen where you can simply drag and drop your target binaries or source code. While we're not showing the practical execution today, I want to emphasize how automated the ensuing process is. After uploading, MobSF automatically kicks off its analysis phase. It unpacks the binary, decompiles the bytecode, extracts the manifest files, and runs a massive array of security checks. When it finishes, you receive a highly detailed dashboard that scores the application's security, highlights critical vulnerabilities, and provides remediation advice. You can explore the extracted strings, look at configuration files, and even view the decompiled code right there in your browser. As we wrap up this overview, I want to reiterate the importance of using tools like MobSF responsibly. It's an incredibly powerful framework that gives you deep visibility into how mobile applications function and where their critical weaknesses lie. As ethical hackers, penetration testers, and security defenders, it's our responsibility to use this visibility to identify risks, report them properly to the application owners, and help build a safer digital ecosystem. Never use these techniques against targets without authorization. Mobile security is a constantly evolving field, with new frameworks, new protections, and new vulnerabilities emerging rapidly. Staying ahead requires continuous learning and utilizing robust automated platforms to augment your manual testing efforts. MobSF is without a doubt one of the best tools you can have at your arsenal for this purpose. I highly encourage you to set it up in your Kali Linux environment using the quick Docker method we discussed. Grab some intentionally vulnerable open-source mobile applications designed for learning and start exploring the framework's capabilities on your own. Thank you so much for watching and spending this time with me. Keep learning, stay curious, and always hack ethically. I will see you in the next one.